In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make J-pop music in Suno AI. Open your web browser and head to Google. We'll start by preparing a strong style prompt for Suno, and we'll use ChatGPT to help write it. In the Google search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official website. Once you're in, describe the track you want. For example, ask for a J-pop style with a cheerful, whimsical mood, bubbly and upbeat vibe, airy female vocals, electronic synths, playful melodies, and layered harmonies, plus a BPM if you have one in mind. Clear descriptive language helps Suno hit the target sound more consistently. Submit your request and wait a moment for the response. When the style prompt appears, highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Now, head over to Suno and go to the Create page. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This tells Suno exactly what kind of arrangement, energy, instrumentation, and vocal feel you're aiming for. Next, let's generate original lyrics to match the vibe. Return to ChatGPT and type a request for J-pop lyrics. For instance, ask for lyrics about feeling lonely in a crowd and specify that they should match the J-pop genre. Submit and give it a moment to write. As a quick tip, look for a clear structure, verses, a catchy chorus, and maybe a short bridge. If the lyrics feel too long, you can trim them later so they fit more naturally in a typical pop song length. Once you're happy, highlight all the lyrics and copy them. Go back to Suno, find the lyrics section, and paste them in. Double-check for any odd line breaks or special characters and clean them up if needed so the text reads smoothly. You're ready to create. Click Create and let Suno generate your song. This may take a bit, so be patient. When it's done, listen through. If the vibe is close but not perfect, adjust your style prompt by tightening the mood words or naming specific instruments more clearly. If the vocals aren't sitting right, simplify the lyrics or make the chorus more repetitive. Small edits can make a big difference. That's it. Style prompt crafted with ChatGPT, lyrics written to match, everything pasted into Suno, and your J-pop track generated. Try a few variations and save your favorites. Enjoy creating.